Okay, so this is what I got. It's the EyeVac. The packaging, really no styrofoam cushions or anything on top. Just came as is. Kind of scared, but FedEx did drop it off nicely. However, they didn't ring the doorbell. That's all right. Okay, so I got the renewed model basically, so it was 59 bucks off of it, so it's fine because I just wanted to get something I didn't want to pay over 100 bucks for to test it out. And what this EyeVac is that basically it's just a vacuum with the sensor. So these hard floors, as you can see, like little specks of trash, dust, whatever, it'll basically suction it up automatically if I get the broom close to it. So this is on auto suction mode. The vacuum. Filter. The bin. It smells a little eggy right now. Alright. I'm not sure if it's because it's just like I said, it's smelling eggy, like boiled eggs. So we'll see. Okay. I'm getting some bits of trash to be suctioned up. Oh, auto is off for some reason. As you can see, it's pretty dusty and dirty off the floor. As much as I sweep every day, I still get a lot. So let's see. And the setting has manual or full and activate, so not bad. Let's take a look. Already a little bit of lint there, and look at that.